Hello and welcome back to video number 5 of the first session. This is about the single paradiddle. Now, talking about the single paradiddle is a wonderful opportunity to introduce the most important movement in drums. There is no more important movement for various reasons. Number one, the single paradiddle combines the single stroke roll and the double stroke roll. So you have the complication of both within one movement. Number two, the single paradiddle automatically not only engages both hands equally, but it turns a one-directional motion, which a single stroke and a double stroke are, into a two-directional motion. That means you're changing direction within a movement. When it comes with the accent, which the single paradiddle does, it means you play the first accent in your right hand and the next accent in your left hand. So here is the actual movement, and I'm going to magnify it for you. Right, left is the single stroke bit, right, right is the double stroke bit, and now you turn it round. Left, right is a single stroke bit, but played with the left hand starting. Left, left is the double stroke bit with your left hand. You automatically, naturally add the accent on the 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here we go. 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 1 E and A, 2 E and A. I'll speak the hands, it's much easier to play them. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Talking about speed, the paradiddle ranks as fast as the single stroke roll, as fast as the double. So you've got the three motions, single, double, and single paradiddle. They all have to be played in a certain speed. If I would have to give you a guideline in speed, and I really don't like to do that, but if I would have to give you a guideline, we are talking 120 beats per minute in 30-second notes. I rest my case. If you go back to the page that says 14 technical introductory movements, you find the paradiddles nicely united between 9 and 14. Rather than starting with the actual single paradiddle, I would like to tell you that movement number 11 and movement number 13 are syllabus movements. That means if you study drums, or if you go to the rock school, or if you go to a teacher who wants that, this is the only opportunity for you to hear about them, because those two paradiddles make absolutely no sense. We are talking about accents. We've been speaking about the single stroke roll and accents, double stroke roll and accents. Now we're talking paradiddle and accents. And what you do is you still have got your 4/16. So the single paradiddle is like this. 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 1 E and A, 2 E and A. If you wish to emphasize the E, the second one, you're using this very movement. You're using. Okay. Why do you do this? For a reason. The reason is you are singling out the accent. When you play the accent on the E, it's just your left hand or your right hand. You don't have a follow-up hand. You don't play, say, right, right. You don't do that because it's no good in drums. You don't do it. And if you look at movement number 11 and 12, it's exactly what those two movements do. They ask you to play a single paradiddle motion, but accentuate the end and the A. And that makes absolutely no sense. Let me show you why. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. The end. Okay. Lovely at that speed. Lovely on the snare. I start using my hi-hats. It makes no sense because I play an accent and I have to bring my hand immediately back, which doesn't make any sense. Now imagine you want to do this with a cymbal or toms, you're getting lost all over the place. This is why we are having movement number 12 and 14. These movements are paradiddle motions, and they are designed by people much cleverer than I could ever be to do exactly that. Play an accent within a paradiddle, but single the accent out. Look at movement number 12. right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left. Wonderful. You've got a single in there, you've got a double in there, you've got an accent in there without having a headache. This is why I took time to explain that, because movement number 11 and movement number 13 will never again turn up in my volumes, because I do not condone them, I dismiss them. Therefore, we are now talking, as of now, we are talking movement number 9, 10, 12, and 14. For the element of completion, because I am teaching, I have to mention 11 and 13. Please do them. Please use them. Use them for exercise purposes. Do not use them for your drumming, because it stops you. Okay, let's give you quarters in the bass drum and play 9, 10, 12, and 14 in succession. Here we go. Single parallel. Next. Third. Fourth. Okay? These are the 4 paradiddles. Do not expect them to be that quick when you play them the first time, because you really have to get your head around these movements. But the single paradiddle is the basis. The other ones are for the accents. Okay? Now, in the next volume, we're going to look into how can we turn a paradiddle into a groove. Where do we find paradiddles? Why do we use them? How can we use them? Because they are really essential for your future drumming. It's been a great pleasure. You go practice, have a lovely day, and I'll see you very, very soon. Thank you. Bye.